Yo, welcome to 2026 in the stream. Yeah. Where are we? Here we are.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yes, mate, but 2026. So this is gonna be interesting to see how the year goes and stuff like that. I managed to wake up on time for the stream, but my sleep pattern is still whack since Christmas and stuff. So there's a likelihood I won't be streaming, but I'll be won't be trading, but I'll be focusing on what to do this year and where trading is going to take me and what goals to have and how to reach the goals. So hopefully this stream might be a bit different than usual streams, but I'll see if the guys roll in. If they do, we can start talking about all that stuff and goals to have for this year and how to get them and that type of stuff. I think it'd be a good stream. Accounts are all looking good anyway, so that's the main thing. Alright, let's stick it in the Discord that we're here then. What stream is this again? The It's 116. Okay, yeah. So 116. Stick that in the Discord. Hey. One second. I think I have done the stream for the whole week, haven't I? So let's just have a look at that, because it's not showing stream for the whole week. Just make sure that I've got everything marked out in terms of the scheduled posts. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, I just didn't share it to the Discord. Then let me just go to view channel. Here we go. Hop back in the Discord. Go to live stream schedule. So yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, I haven't done all the other streams, so today's done. Tomorrow's
PM Carne to visit China January 14th to 17th.
I heard something about Carney doing something. Anyway, so let's share that. Copy link, stick it in the Discord as 118 and then 119 and then 120 there. Okay, so that's all the streams updated in there. I thought I did them, but must have done them last year or something and then forgot to bother with them after that. It's fine. Right, it's warming in. Turn the heater off. So this is going to be a short stream. I'll probably cut around about 9:30, 9:15, probably 9:30 actually. Gives us enough time to have a look at what London does. And then come back to the charts tomorrow and then start probably trading properly tomorrow, as long as I get good sleep and stuff. But as I said, I woke up on time okay today, but I slept late yesterday. I couldn't fall asleep. But hopefully today, if I fall asleep on time, then I should not have any issues for tomorrow. And the reason I say that is I'm not allowed to trade if I don't get good sleep, because it's hard to perform really well on M1 when you're not sleeping well, so you're not going to be fresh on what you view in the markets and stuff. So yeah. Telegram's not got anything there, so that's fine. We can close Telegram down. Don't need that. I need to close WhatsApp down too, and then Discord. No one's talking there, so I can close that down as well. Perfect. Right. So let's just view what's going on with the charts. Gonna drag everything over by a full day. That can go to Wednesday, that can go to Tuesday, that can go to Tuesday, and that can go to It looks like GBPCHF shorts are going to be the way to go, because I see price rejecting right at this obviously Asian midline section here. That looks like to be a kind of a key area on the lower time frame. Price is struggling to kind of break it, which I find interesting, and then now we're getting a push down. But the issue is Frankfurt, so I'm always suspicious of Frankfurt, but I don't know, we'll see in it. Price might want to come down, take out these lows or the previous Thursday low from last week, or it might even want to come down and take out the weekly low right here. So you know what, I'm going to mark that out as a weekly low, because that actually is a really good point. I might want to come down and take a weekly low. So I'll put that in for today, because that could quite easily happen today, and then price might give a move from there. On M15 we'll stay on a higher time frame.
On US Greenland issues says the Arctic is of vital interest to the international community as a whole.
We'll stay on higher time frame for the moment, just because I'm not really looking to trade today exactly, just kind of analyze price and see if I'm right on my biases and stuff like that. So I'll do like test trading, if that makes sense. I'll mark everything, I'll give my opinion and see how accurate it is and stuff like that. So as if I'm trading. Ooh, why have we got 2 there? Shouldn't be double, should be 1. Yeah. And that. That's it. Anyway, let me just plump up the charts. Odds are we're not going to come all day here till probably next week. Oh wait, it's 1:30 in the time frame. I'd say about midweek. Here we're still down 260 pips. I'm gonna bring that up to Friday. Bring this up to Friday too. Now, where are we? We're here. I don't expect any of this type of move within 1-2 days, so that can go to Wednesday. Actually, that's Thursday. Thursday's possible, I guess. Isn't that a weekly? Yeah, it is a weekly low, so we can actually stick that there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm gonna drag that over to Tuesday, and this can go over to Wednesday, and this can go over to Thursday. pretty much just lows and stuff like that, like London low, New York low, daily low. Structural lows work, but they're not my preferred lows and stuff. It depends how price looks in that level. But I see how you got Asia midline here, price is reacting right off of there. You know what, I'm just gonna have to copy paste them, bring them over for today. I do like that we've kind of... I'm just gonna get rid of these demand zones. I don't like how they look at the chart. We took it by 1 pip, had a massive reaction down, come back up again to mitigate that supply zone, and now we're pushing down again. But then we've had a reaction off of this zone right here, which to me is interesting. I'm gonna go over to 4 o'clock. I'm gonna keep an eye on the New York session as well. I won't trade, but I'll just keep it. Yeah, I find that interesting actually. I would say that's an invalid zone. Now we're reacting off of this midline here. Yeah, I mean, it looks interesting because then obviously you've got, let's go on M15. Oh damn, M30, 1 hour, hit 4 hour. Okay, yeah, so you got this high right here, and then we made a relatively equal high here, and then we come up here, made pretty much equal highs in the zone again. So if it would have kind of gone up like that, then it would have been different because you actually would have pushed up a bit, but that would have been about 13 pips, 18 pips. Yeah, personally I would prefer if it gone up like a bit more than that. So for example, if it kind of did that, so took it out by like 40 pips or something like that, then it'd be like a nice push straight out of that zone, taking that high out completely and then drop down. But then you got a supply zone just above it right here, I think. Probably on the 1 hour or 15 minute or the supply zone there. That'd have been a much better zone to then take short from. So yeah, that's what I think. Price still can go up. There's a likelihood it can go up still. Why does it show double, man? I don't get it. Is it because of like... Ah. Okay. There. Yeah, there you go. That's working now. Okay, cool. So yeah, I think price might come up and take out this channel there and push higher. That's just a guess. So I'm gonna write the bias on here. Should I have like a text box or something like that? I'll stick that there. Perfect. I was right about that key area holding and the price ejecting from it. My throat is so phlegmy. Anyway. So I'm happy about that. I'd like it to come down, take out the weekly low, and then push up from there. That'd be like a nice little way. Euro. What are we looking at? Euro then. So DXY is pushing down. No. Keep that there. Ah, look, it's done it again. Why does it keep... It's only on the UJ page as well, which is really annoying. And then when you... What the flip? That's actually quite annoying. Stupid. So we'll see what happens with UJ then. GJ. Let's just do top down. Oh yeah, easy. We're breaking highs, keep pushing higher. That's it. Wait for pullback, supply zones fail. That's an easy one, actually. Really easy one. Oh, look at that. Personally, what I would like is to see price come down, take this low, and then go higher. So let's go to this right here. So for example, that's what I'd like to see, something like that. I'm gonna bring that down. can't find a nice place to put that. Okay, so also euros just come up here and taken that high, and if you just read price action, what do we see? An invalid zone there. Price come tagged in, gave a reaction, took out these lows, pushed up, come down, broke structure, come back into this demand zone, pushed up from there. Now with this you might get an Asia high bounce and a continuation, but you do have this high here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 highs right there, and prices come up here, so that could also mean that price might not do that. And on the other side of things, it might come all the way down to take out these lows, or come all the way down to take out these lows into Asia midline and then long from there. Either way, longs look better, but there is a possibility to short down to here as the first level, here as the second level, and then actually, you know what, instead of saying second level, I'm gonna mark this as the second level, so this whole area, and then other than that it probably come all the way down to like the Asia low, and then you could think about going long from there. Let's go on M2 and look at price action. Price come out, took these lows, got a supply zone here, price tagged in, gave reaction, tagged in, gave reaction, tagged into the demand zone, pushed up from there. Frankfurt open, made this low here, pushed all the way up here, so you got Frankfurt low right here, which is going to be an invalid zone. So that also adds confidence for shorts down there. And actually, if you're going to be shorting Euro USD because dollar's coming in strength, then that does line up with the idea of UJ going long. Makes sense. And GJ going long also, because if dollar strengthens, the yen weakens, and if yen weakens, GJ goes up. Yeah. I mean, the picture's looking good in terms of how it's been like given, or whatever you want to call it. Let's have a look at GU. Sorry, very similar price action. The high there, tagged in. Gave reaction, led equal highs, tagged into the demand zone, and then pushed through that level. And we can still go higher on this because you got that zone right there, which is 1, 2, 3 equal highs. Okay, yeah, you can still go long. I think price has got more opportunity to go higher, but at the same time it doesn't have to, because EU's done that. So you need to use divergence between EU and GU. Just because GU hasn't taken a zone and EU has, doesn't mean you can't take that trade. You definitely can. You just need to look for confluence on both of them. So you want to see like bearish structure coming in on EU and GU together, and then you're good to go. I should also, yeah. It's gonna go to. How far are we from here? 130. That's probably a Thursday. So about 3 days worth of price action. And this can go over to Tuesday. Don't see a problem with that or that. But I do see a problem with that. Beautiful. I like that push down on GJ. What I'm gonna do is yeah. So keep that there like that. Go to M5. Now we're seeing this happen, leaving Frankfurt high open there for an invalid zone. Exactly here. Made equal lows here. Bernie Mac in the building.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Brother. I'm good. How are you, my brother? How are you, brother? I managed to wake up on time, but I still feel a bit fuzzy. So I'm just gonna like keep an eye on the charts, but not really trade them. But I'm still gonna do like analysis and stuff like that, just to get back into it and see where it goes. So yeah. How you doing, man? How is everything? How's family? How's school? How's business? Good. That's good. I was gonna do like a segment during the live stream, like when other people come, if they come on off, whatever, based on how to maximize 2026 to be your profitable trading year and stuff like that, and the goals I'm looking for. What's up, Bashi? Happy Deep Mwangi Ndugu, Karibu Ndugu. Happy New Year to you too, man. Hope you had a good new year and stuff like that, bro. Welcome. Let me
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Brother.
I like that. Where's the
William, knife man.
Yeah, there you go. I found it. A million knife man. It's so funny. Wait. William, wait.
William Knife Man.
What a funny one, man. What a funny one. Okay, basically my friend was sending me like video, like I don't know if it's COD or like some shooting game or something like that, yeah. And it's like when they make like loads of really funny edits of it and they have like all the funny words and backgrounds and stuff like that. And they had this guy in a William Knife Man, and God, every time, bro, it gets me every time. You see, when he gets me, he's like, "Who are you?" "I am William Knife Man." Bang, bang, and he kills the people. It's hilarious, man. And I don't really watch that type of stuff, so for me, it's so funny. Oh, I need the laugh of here's the guy who laughs like what's his name? Seth Rogen. No, Seth. Yeah, there you go. Seth Rogen's laugh. Oh god, this is coming out really good now. The soundboard is. We're getting all the good stuff. Is it a name change or what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Nah, that's good. Okay, let's go back to EU on the M5 and have a look at that, because that's also presenting a invalid zone there. Or what time are we on? Actually, no, we're on 7:45. That could be a potential short, but when you look at M2, it's easier to say. I'm actually not really gonna trade. I'm just gonna like mark out stuff on the charts and get back into like the whole thing, because it's been a while. I didn't remember that name. Which name? Oh, Bernard is one of my friends that you guys don't really know because he doesn't come to the stream that much. So yeah, he's from Nigeria. His name's Bernard. He likes trading also. Mwangi meet Bernard. Bernard meet Mwangi. Mwangi is Dima. I met Dima from Miko stream, and Bernard I met through Nick's stream, and he's more of a follower of one of the guests on Nick's stream. That's a friend of mine whose name is James. So yeah, he's not been on the stream for ages because you were busy doing stuff, weren't you? And don't forget the great chief Khalil. And don't forget the great chief is here. Yeah, the great chief is #1 signal copier in this side of the world. Oh man. Wait. Oh. See that now I can use Seth Rogen's laugh because it's so good. It's so good. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. That's so cool. If I go on M5, would it be alright? No, yeah, no. There. And now I don't like the fact that it's come into the key area. It's broke past it, it's tested it there on the M5 and it might continue dropping out. I don't like the look of that. Good bro, how's you? I'm gonna find Speed and tell him to give me $1,000. Yeah. Good luck. Oh man.
William, nice man.
William, knife man. Oh man, William Knifeman is too funny. Sack and Divot still on holiday? I don't know. I did talk to Francis in the Discord a week ago, a few days ago. And I put everything in the Discord yesterday and today, so hopefully they come. You know, I don't know if Divot's still doing uni stuff or not, so I'm not sure about him. But Francis might come, possibly. I'm not sure. When all you guys are here, I want to discuss a topic: how to make 2026 a profitable year, and the things that you need to do to achieve that. Because I'm not really looking to trade today because I wake up on time, but my sleeping pattern is still whack, so I don't feel like clearing my brain to like fully trade M1, which is why I'm still like analyzing charts as if I would trade, but I'm not trading because I'm still a bit like half asleep, you know. So yeah. Better be a millionaire this year. Nah, my goals are really simple for this year, to be fair, man. I'll go over my goals in it once everyone's here, so I don't have to keep repeating it, and then I'll tell you guys what I'm aiming for this year and how it's a very realistic goal as well. The 50k account's up 3.4%. I took a gold short a few days ago. I'll show you guys that. Where was it? When did I take that short on gold? Let me have a look. The 7th. So I took a short on gold on the 7th. 1 second, I'll have a look first and then I'll tell you. Yeah, it was here. So I took a short right off of the midline after I seen it break structure to the low side on M1. I covered this high, and then as soon as I got 0.5%, I rolled my stop loss to get the 0.5% on the 50k. How much did I risk on that? I risked 0.25%, so I got, I think it's about 2R. Yeah, so I rolled it to 2R. Price come back, tagged it, and then it dropped all the way down to 5. To like 5R, which is kind of annoying. CRT candle range theory, I know about that. Yeah, it works on indices. It doesn't work so well on Forex, but it works well on indices. UK 100, nasdaq, S&P 500, US 30, DAX. It works on all of them, but it only works in the first hour of the London Open and New York Open. One of my friends uses it. Bernardo knows him. So you see, is a continuation type trading. I don't know, Halil. There's a lot of people talking bullshit online, man. So I don't really pay attention to too much. You know, the best thing is like just look at a few YouTubers who do live trading, yeah, and they take genuine trades, and then learn from what they do. Backtest what you see, what they do, and when you backtest, try to learn what are the little things that really make that strategy work. But you have to backtest it to learn it and see what time does it happen, what days does it happen, what patterns do you see, or consistencies do you see. Using invalidate, I don't know. I know CRT, obviously, candle range theory, which is also called SRS, school range. Bernard, what does he call it? SRS, what's it stand for again? School run or something like that. School run or something. I don't know if Bernard's here or if he's run off. School run? School? I don't know. But he calls open range breakout school run. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, and it's called SRS or something like that. Oh, school run strategy. Okay, yeah, simple. Okay, I thought something else. But yeah, school run strategy is basically same as open range breakout. It's exactly the same thing. So anyway, I took that short on gold. Kind of annoying, yeah. That obviously, as soon as I rolled it to 0.5%, it tagged me and dropped. I was like, you asshole. But I didn't care too much because I'm up 3 point. Let me pull that account up in and I'll show you guys. Come on, load. And don't think I've got my personal account now as well. So in my personal, we're gonna hit it hard and doing 4% risk per trade. So 4% risk per trade means a lot of money. There you go. Yeah, different name, same thing exactly. Yeah. So I'm up 3.4% right there, which is 1,717. I need to make another 0.5% within the next 7 days to then get the payout. It works out to around 1,375, which in pounds, after I do conversions and stuff, will be about 950. Now, if I get another 0.5%, that's going to be about $1,050 bought pounds. But if I actually catch an M1 trade and it actually gives me a good move, then I might get a few more percent on that, like 1 or 2 more percent. So if I could turn this into like a 2,500, so I'll get about $2,000 in payout, then that work out to around 1,700. I'll be happy with that. So we'll see what happens on that. Phase 3 on this 3-step accounts up 3.6%. The 200k accounts up 3.6%. I've had this one for a long time. You can see that I've had this for a really long time. This is still phase 1, but yeah, just kind of waiting and just patience is kind of the only thing really. Let's go back to trading view and back to the chat. Oh, let's look at silver. Silver's done a mad one, bro. Silver's done a mad one. Look at that. I'm sorry, just give me 1 second, yeah? So, we had a 16% drop here. It was like short silver, yeah? And then from that low, this is brilliant, yeah? From that low, we've only gone and done another 86%. That is what?
William, knife man.
That's what silver did. Silver did. Oh my god. Silver did a mad one. So yeah, so from 1 year, silver's basically done almost 2. Wow. Almost 2. Wow. I can't even. Bro, that is insane. Almost 200%. And gold in the same time frame. Has done 75. Absolutely appalling for gold. Like that. Yeah. Someone switch out gold. Someone switch out gold. Okay, so price did come, drop here a little bit, take out these lows and slowly push up into the invalid zone. Price on GU come down, tag this 5-minute demand zone, and that's pushing up high to take out this invalid zone. I like that. It looks really interesting to me. Okay, Vicky, let's read the chat then. So different name, same thing exactly. Mwangi, pass my phase 1. Oh, congratulations, Bernard. That's good, man. Which account is it and who's it with and stuff like that. EU good short zone now. I think that on lower time frame it's not looking good because you want to see a short down. Now I'm thinking it's London open in 4 minutes. Yeah, either is going to come up and take the high of Frankfurt, because remember, London open, it has to take the high or the low of Frankfurt. It has to do that. Obviously it's going to move in a direction, so it's got to do that. What's it's closest to right now? It's closest to Frankfurt high, so it makes sense it's going to take the high and then potentially push down. That's what I'm hoping for. But with that being said, we took this low, pushed higher right here, come down, tag this 5-minute demand zone, pushed higher, left a Frankfurt high up there, come down, pushed this, took this level out there. Now I'm pushing higher again. So I think that price might keep going higher actually, and it might just take Frankfurt high and keep running high. But I'm going to look for a reversal pattern, a reversal chance, because you've got this zone here on GU, which makes me think there is a possibility for a short. 16,890. Okay, yeah. So just above. Yeah, here. Yeah. Well, to be honest, that might be the zone where GU actually comes and takes this this level here, and then yeah, that I would agree on that level. Yeah, for sure. There you go, beautiful. Took that level out completely. I had a feeling that was gonna happen. Very much like the look of that. Let's just get rid of so I'm happy because I said happy, that's an emotion, ignore that. We come, took that low of that channel, left the invalid zone there, that's been swiped. Okay, so I think UJ is going to turn into a short actually. I think price is going to short from here because you got a key area right here. Well, Asia midline, we broke it, we've come to retest Asia midline, and now we're getting a strong bearish candle. That to me looks like is going to be a short. I would prefer it to go higher and take out this invalid zone, this little channel here, and then take out this right here, but if it doesn't, it's fine. But looks like I need to flip to shorts actually, which is, it is what it is, isn't it? These things happen in trading. Okay, it's pushed up higher. Right, London open in 40 seconds, so let's see what happens with that. Should have a look at gbpchf actually. Oh, beautiful. I did say shorts on gbpchf, hence that key area right there, and that worked out really nicely actually. Now it's come and taken a weekly low, so there's a possibility that it might go higher. So let's see, because now you got Frankfurt high all the way here. You got traders who would have entered off of the Asia midline right there to drop price down. So now you could potentially long up to around that key area level, which is not a bad shot actually. If you were to get like, I don't know, 3R, then target up there. Yeah, still get a 5.5 R. Probably say 3.5 because of the spreads and stuff like that. So about 4.8. That's not bad. I'm gonna delete that and see where price goes from here. If it keeps dropping or if it's gonna push up. So right, we're at London open on the minute now. Let's see what happens. does it keep? I wanted to see that happen. Yeah, UJ starting to push now.
How are you? What are you doing?
You're calling price action right, even after 1 month not on the charts with flexibility like the cat. You know what my name is? My name is
William Knife Man.
Oh man. Flexibility like the cat. Yo, forgot to tell I might go to China for school. Bro, you're black. Why are you going to China for school? Do you know how racist they are? They're gonna look at you like, look at the one who the black man who look like the ape and gorilla. They're gonna say shit like that because they're very trust me, bro. Good luck to you. The education will be good. Chinese education is way better than most education nowadays. Look how intelligent Chinese people are in general. But yeah, you get really good education. And if you could learn Mandarin as well, that'd be really good. I'll be alright. He's gonna look for an Asian bride. Oh, you the black man, you got the big eggplant. You got the big eggplant. I want to try for you. Oh god. Bug so China buddies already, sorry. China buddies, yeah. Chinese women are fit, man, but yeah, I'm not a fan of Chinese people in general, I'll be honest. I worked with a lot of Chinese people, man, so I have a negative opinion of them. Okay. Look what happened with GU. Now, this is interesting, is it not? There's one more level. That would be this high here. And then you got Asia midline from before that. But I think now, that's if you're looking for shorts. I think you should stick with longs if price is telling you to go long. Price is saying here clearly go long. But if you get confirmation for a short, then yeah, sure, take it. This is just if you get that. Stick on M2. Let's go on M1. What did M1 do? M1 did absolutely nothing. Yeah, it did nothing. There's nothing there on M1. Demand zone tag push up. There is an M1 demand zone right there. I don't know if it'll hold on M1. I'm not sure if it'll hold, but you could try it. Yeah, confirmation first. Of course, yeah, that's what I'm saying, yeah. Because GU's got lovely volume, man. EU and GU are up so nice right now. 0.4%, 0.4%, but where am I standing? My stance on the dollar, man. I've been looking at fundamentals a bit on the dollar, which has been a bit interesting. You had a bit of strength come in, obviously, from here. All of this move here had a bit of strength coming in. But I think this is just a pullback for a potential push down further, in all honesty. So yeah, longs are probably still a good way to go. But the thing is, with M1 and intraday trading, your bias might be right over the next week or two, might not be right on that specific day. So you just got to be mindful of that. Also, this worked out really good. Look at that long I was talking about, which is pretty much what this was here. Let's see if it gave an entry now. So let's look at this. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Price in London Open took out these lows and flew all the way up. Then it had an invalid zone and screwed us. So it was looking good until that candle right there. So it was looking good up until then. When you thinking about going there for school anyway, Bernard? And which city are you thinking of going to? Now, if I was to have taken this trade here, yeah, I'd have probably covered SL above the highs and just targeted like a Asia low, like a 1 to 4. Probably March. Oh wow, that's soon, bro. That's soon. I'd have gone break even straight on that break, or I'd have cut the risk down to half on that break in case price wants to come fill this gap. Let's have a look. Where would I have entered from here? Because this is slightly different. Okay, I would have actually waited for price to come and tagged the yeah, I'd have waited for price to come tag that zone and then short. I don't know if it really might just keep dropping from there, but it is valid, yeah, to take it from yeah. Yeah, it would have been valid to take it from there. So off of that, so after you break structure there and there, then you could have taken it from this supply zone here, which is 4 pip, and then you would have been break even quite quick. This is why M1's difficult, because you need to flip really quick. Probably March. Yeah, that's cool, man. I hope if you do go, let me know, because that would actually be cool. And then if you do go, then at least I got a friend over there, and if I go on vacation to China, then yeah. But I could tell you I had to pick up a woman. Ni hao, wo aini bao bao. You have a big eyes and a small face. You have a WeChat. It's a meme, innit? I don't know if you've looked at the meme for it or not. It's quite funny. You have a big eyes and a small face. You have a WeChat. That reminds me of CS integrated because he's Chinese. So price is still running up. On EU and GU right now. UJ is still kind of dropping, which isn't bad. GJ is pushing higher. CS integrated. He lives in Singapore, but he's Chinese. He's normally on Miko stream. Sometimes he comes to Nick's. Sometimes. Not often. He comes here as well a few times. Sometimes, yeah. But Chinese is a hard language to learn. You are going to struggle. It's definitely quite difficult. Okay, so we've come into that level now on GU. So let's see what happens here. I'm going to switch to M2. Keep line it from there. And then let's see what gold did. Let's go M15 on gold. Gold had a massive push. Oh, did you guys see the press conference from Jerome Powell? Also, guys, do me a favor, hit like. Thank you. I haven't said that in a month. Or like 3 weeks or 4 weeks or whatever. Hard, man. What do you mean? Oh, the press conference from the speech from Jerome. Or do you mean Chinese? The language is very hard. You know, oh yeah, Chinese is hard, yeah. For me, it's not so bad because I already know like 5, 6, 7 different languages. But when I was learning Chinese, is by far the hardest because pronunciation, you have like 7 different meanings on the way you pronounce a word, and there's one sound I can't pronounce, and it's like a j. No, z. I forgot what it was. It's like a S and a Z, but it's like a certain lap over you have to make with the sound to have a certain meaning behind the word. And if you pronounce it in the wrong way, the word can have like 5 different meanings, and it's really annoying. So my Mandarin wasn't that bad until I got to those words, and then I gave up. I was like, nah. Anyway, going back to this, got a nice little channel going on there. I like to see you drop down into the midline and then go along from there on gold. And then on silver, that high is going to fail 150 million%. Price already come down, tagged this M15 zone right here, and it's going to push up. But I would have preferred price come down, take out these lows, or these lows and then push up, or these lows and then push up. But looks like a no. Okay, euros dropping now, pounds dropping as well. It took that zone by 0.4. Don't like that. Let's have a look at tag the supply zone. Let's go on 30-minute. Nah, don't like. Ho 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 ho. So close, we almost took that zone out. Now that zone is relevant because it caused lower high, lower low, lower high, low, lower high. internal lower high, internal lower low, internal lower high, internal lower low. We've got a midline section right there of that. I wouldn't use that supply zone. I would not use that. I don't know if you're comfortable with that supply zone. Nope. Yeah, no, yeah. Lovely drop. Nice reaction from that. Let's go to Tuesday. Wait, what? What did I see there? 1 second. Yeah, nice reaction off of that. So hopefully it will continue to push down. So prices come back up here. What's it? Where was so the entry would have been, where did I say? Off of here. They would have had a break even right at the breaker there. And it looks like price would have tried to come tag you. If you rolled stop loss to cover commissions, you would have got tagged. At break even right there. Which is interesting to me because it's just tagged into this demand zone here. And that's pushing up from there, but I still think shorts are the way to go on UJ. Actually, no, if I'm going to be shorting EU, then I kind of have to be shorting UJ at the same time as well, especially if GU is following. Yeah, that makes sense. You'd have to short UJ. If you're going to short EU, short EU, you'd have to buy UJ. Actually, wait, that's a tricky one. Well, let's see what happens. Well, I started building my computer, by the way. So that's behind me. Yeah, exactly. This is why I got GJ there, because if you're shorting EU, you should be buying UJ. But if GJ is going up, that means yen weakness, yeah. Which is you're using, like, all the you'll have to balance. Okay, but not thanks for coming. I haven't seen you in a long time. It's good to see you. Hopefully I see you again. Hit you up later on WhatsApp. Yeah, send me a message. No problem. Take it easy, bro. I was hoping the Mile and those guys would come so I could talk about what to do for 2026, but I don't know if they will. So you have to be careful because you got a 5-minute demand zone here, and remember, price has kind of been bullish, not the whole time, but like most of the time it's been bullish since London Open, Asia. So for us to say that we're gonna short, you'd need to see like a maybe tomorrow or later. I'll wait for another 20 minutes and then I'll talk about what I want to plan. Because I've got my own plan as well, of like what I want to do, what I want to achieve, the goals I want to have and all that stuff, and how I'm making them realistic and blah blah blah. Did you trade NFP week or not, Mwangi? Or is this your first trading week as well? Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. I was gonna ask you something anyway, but go, I'll wait. Oh wow. That did a lovely move. That was nice. It looks like shorts are starting to play out. Welcome back. EU starting to play out because you got obviously higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high. It broke structure here, but I just needed to break these lows. Once price breaks these lows, I'll be more confident in going short. But let's look at GU. High low, higher high, higher low, high high low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Tagged a demand zone. Don't like the look of that because it's a London open demand zone, so that could quite easily fly off from there. So that, don't like the look of that. You know, the issue is with M1, when you're looking for the cleanest setup, it's hard because there's so many invalidations, you know. Yeah, just keep waiting. But I was asking you, Mwangi, I said, is this your first trading week or did you trade an FP week? Yeah, patience is the best.
Slow down, baby.
I want that on the soundboard too. I want that on the soundboard too. Oh, so you're on the charts but not trading. Yeah, that's fine. I didn't really look much. I kind of glanced like New York session, how did London look and stuff like that. There's a lot of movement. I mean, look at this. Where's Monday? Monday, Tuesday. There's a lot of movement, but yeah, I didn't really look at it. Honestly, I was busy playing Rocket League with my friend. And like babysitting and stuff like that for like the last 3-4 weeks is good to just chill. I didn't really trade December, to be fair, because of the way I trade, bro. You can go 1, 2, 3 months without a trade, And then you can catch 1, 2, 20 or 15 hour trades and you're done, which is fine because you just need a lot of patience, which is good because it encourages that. I might as well start writing out what my goals are going to be for this year then. No, I don't like red. Yeah, exactly, yeah. My lots are huge. So I think they're my goals. Secure 5 payouts for the whole year. Don't lose any accounts, which is the hardest one probably. Pass 50% of my challenges and build my personal account up to 20k. Yeah, the way our trade works with the way I am, like my strategy works with the way I am as a person. That's why trading is very individualistic, isn't it? It's about how does it sit with you, how does it work with you. I can't do swing trading, I can't do like high time frame stuff. One, it's boring. Two, it's very slow. I need something that's quick and fast, you know. And I'm happy with patience, I'm happy with missing trades, I'm happy with like, oh, there's an invalidation, don't take it. So it works fine with me. Secure 5 payouts in the whole year, which is perfectly achievable. These are realistic goals, by the way, realistic goals. So securing 5 payouts, yeah, that should be fine. I did what, 3 payouts in the last 4 months. August, September, October, November, December. 5 months. I didn't really trade in December. So yeah, I'd say 5 for the year is realistic. Don't lose an account. That's gonna be the hardest one. Pass 50% of the challenges. So I've got 820k in challenges. So to basically get half of them passed. Some more in phase 2. They're small accounts, but should be possible to pass at least 2 200k accounts. Should be possible. What else is there? Build personal 20k might be difficult depending on the payouts. That I need to change. So build to 5 to 10k might be more realistic goal. if I'm getting between 2 and 4% per payout, then yeah, that's valid. Yeah, I'm not getting any more challenges, and I'm not getting any more challenges. I'm just building my own account as soon as I can, because I've had enough of prop firms and their rules and their issues and stuff like that. Massive year, yeah, it should be a big year, but the issue is, yeah, Trump. That's the issue. But I suppose that doesn't matter on M1, it doesn't matter on M15, it doesn't matter on M30. It only matters on 4-hour and daily time frame, whatever the idiot does. So I suppose I'm kind of safe from Trump because it doesn't really affect me. I already know how to achieve my goals anyway, because I've done it already. So I'm just gonna do the same thing again. But I'll talk about the stuff probably tomorrow. Like when everyone's here, I'll talk about how to achieve the goals and stuff like that. That'll be interesting, I think. I like how UJ's pushing down now, but would have tagged you at break even and then dropped. I prefer a fast break even than a SL. Personally, you know, the best thing about trading is learning how to minimize your drawdown and preserve capital and protect capital. When you look at all the hedge funds and all that shit, that's what they do. Yeah, and then I'll go through like all the things to do and all that stuff. Yeah, that's the biggest thing. A lot of people think about making money. No, the biggest thing is protecting yourself from losing money, because making money is always gonna happen. It's always gonna come, but you need to protect yourself from losing money in the first place. But people, they can't preserve capital. You know, the biggest challenge for me, yeah, was not blowing an account, and that's where risk management came in. When risk management came in, then I realized even though I have a really high risk reward trading strategy, my trade frequency is low, which means I'm gonna be in drawdown for a really long time. And then I was like, well, I have to accept it, innit? You just have to accept it. Like, you can't change anything. It is what it is. And that for me is like a really good thing. So yeah, the only issue I have now is I'm bored of trading. That's the only issue. But I think once I get paid out, I think I won't get bored, because I could build the computer, start playing games. Mangi, do you love trading or not? I don't. Like, do you love it? Like, oh, I love it. Like, it gets boring. Yeah, it does, yeah. But do you like, oh, I love it? How some people, oh, I love the gym, or I love eating. Like, do you love trading like that? Because I don't. The thing I love about trading, oh wow, that's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah, for me, like I don't the thing I love about trading the most yet isn't trading, it's the fact that I don't have to work with people. That's the biggest thing for me about trading, bro, is the fact that I don't have to work with people. And is that, yeah, I don't have to work with people, and you can work wherever you want, whenever you want. Obviously you have your sessions, like London session, New York session, but you choose to trade what you want to trade, and you can develop a strategy around that. So I could trade like Asia session if I wanted to. So you develop a strategy around that. So I think I love the idea of, like, not the job itself, but what it entitles you to do. Like, sitting on the charts and taking a trade is boring. Even when I'm in a trade, it's boring. Like, yeah, that's what I like the most about trading. I don't even care about the money, because I would do trading for like 30 grand a year, 40 grand a year. I would do that, like a comfortable amount to live off of. A single person earning 40,000 a year, you could live off of that, okay? Like, you can have holidays and have an okay car and have an okay life. I would do trading for 40 grand a year, yeah, no problem. Because it's not about the money, it's about everything else. You know what I mean? That I'm not really bothered about the money, but I know that I can earn 2, 3, 4, 500,000 a year. I know that I can, but I'm not bothered if I do or if I don't. Which is funny, because one of my friends said that everyone he knows that gets into trading, they all get into trading because of money, and he said the fact that you don't, it's a bit weird. I was like, yeah, I can understand that, but at the same time, that's why my psychology is so good, because I'm not greedy or eager or anything. I'm just waiting in it. Like, that's all it is. Like, I'm not really overly concerned. Which does help, to be fair, man. It does help a lot. So it's interesting what euro and pound did, because they tagged into demand zones and they started pushing up from there. I did say that it's going to be a bit of a tricky one. If we don't get confirmation. Unfortunately, looks to be the case. GJ pushing up, EUGU pushing up, UJ continuing to go down, which once again it makes sense. I like that volume coming in on GJ for longs. Look at that. Yeah, obviously I'm not gonna trade anyway, but to me, like, this is what I like to follow order flow, innit? Because it's like showing that buys are continuing. Yeah, you just have to be careful, like when they continue and how and stuff like that. So buys look good. But obviously when price swept that level there, wherever the hell it was, I was like, okay, now there's a possibility, not a guarantee, but a possibility of a short. So I thought, okay, we'll have a look. So yeah, but obviously it didn't happen, which is fine. Let's grab that, bring that over here. I'm gonna grab that, bring that over there. Because you can see in it, like, clearly, yeah, build up, sweep, push higher. Just delete that. London open demand zone, literally on the open, big volume comes in, contraction, pull back, contraction into the demand zone, we're off again. So it makes sense, but, and if you think about it, it's the Asia high bounce. Why? Because you broke out of Asia high, you come back down, bounced, and then continuing higher, because here's the thingy in it. The Asia high is here. It's about differentiating between the two. So for me, I always follow the order flow, and when I see a price taken or a sweep of a zone, I need to see clear breaker structure, pull back into the demand zone. There has to be volume, there has to be momentum, it has to break structure clearly, pull into there, like contract into that level, generating more liquidity or whatever you want to call it, and then another aggressive push down, breaking structure again under another structural level, contracting again into that supply zone. Then I'm going to be confident that now we're shifting biases and that these longs are now due to get liquidated. So it's about knowing the context, and it's really tricky, man. Oh, CPI is tomorrow, is it? Oh shoot. Okay, that's gonna be an interesting day, isn't it? Oh, we got we got ADP weekly employment change as well for NFP, the ADP one, because they're doing weekly now, aren't they? So you got weekly, that's all at 1:30. So CPI and ADP at 1:30 tomorrow. Okay. That's going to be interesting. I won't trade London. Like, I'll stream London, but I won't trade it, and I'll probably trade New York session because there might be a nice little move after the news release. Depending what happens, obviously, I might that might be interesting, maybe. So yeah, that'll be interesting. What's gbpchf looking like? I bet that's got a nice little push as well, hasn't it? Oh no. Oh yeah, CHF is stronger than GJ, isn't it? Yeah. CHF is stronger than yen today. That's a nice move though. That's a really nice move. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I'll get rid of that one because yeah. Did you do any like journaling or backtesting or anything like that during Christmas and New Year, Mangi? Yeah, that's fine. Man, I can't wait to see what's gonna happen between Trump and Jerome Powell, bro. This little fight they got going on's gonna be mad. It's gonna be absolutely mad. In May. Jerome ends in May, and then the new guy takes over. But with what Jerome's doing now, I'm curious: is he gonna resign earlier? What's gonna happen? And what's the impact gonna be on the thingy, on the market? Hey, how did I get another subscriber? When did that happen?
China Commerce Ministry on talks with EU on EVs. The EU will release guidance document on submitting price commitment applications.
We don't know who's due to replace him yet, but we know there's 3 people, and all of them are basically Trump's lackeys. So whoever replaces him doesn't really matter. I think the issue is gonna be how's the handover process gonna be and stuff like that. If there's gonna be one, or yeah. So you got Kevin Hassett, some other guy named Bassett or Hassett, and then you got a guy named Walsh, and all 3 of them are most likely between those 3, and all of them are basically pure Trump supporters. So whatever Trump says they're gonna do. So I think at that point you're gonna be monitoring more closely what is Trump saying, what is he doing. You know what I mean? That's going to be like a really key thing. That's fine, Mwangi. I'll leave you to it, bro. I'm gonna stick around till 9:30, and then I'm gonna cut the stream then anyway. But thanks for coming, as always.
say these months here.
Gap between US 10-year Treasury and German bond yields at 137 basis points, the widest since November 21st, 2025.
Well, price is really consolidated, isn't it? Since London Open. Gold's pushing up a bit. Silver's just consolidating.
Kazakh oil shipments from CPC terminal halted again on Saturday. According to Tasnim, Iran says communication channels with the US are open.
Forget that. Just go bloody attack him. I'm on about Iran attacking USA. Get rid of USA, man. Swear to God, they're a bloody nightmare.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone Centex Investor Confidence Index, forecast -4.9, prior -6.2.
So GU still pushing up with a nice bit of force. GU is doing really well. Let's just have a look at Euro GBP. Yeah, it's up by 0.06. That's interesting. VIX is down to 16. Unfortunately, it's down 13%. That's unfortunate. Bitcoin sitting at 90k. Oil's at 58. I'm sure it was more. Obviously, price has been coming down. USD's CAD, USD CHF 0.61. Wow, okay. Euro CHF 0.12. CHF JPY is up 0.56. Wow,
Says, I
okay.
still trust the US more than China.
Interesting. Get rid of that. Won't find a place for it anywhere. There you go. Gold and silver's picking up now slowly.
Azerbaijan produced 27.7 million tons of oil and 51.5 billion cubic meters of gas in 2025. At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone Centex Investor Confidence Index forecast -4.9 on the prime -6.2.
Alright, then I'll probably call the stream here for now, and then I'll have a look at New York session, see what it does. Once again, I won't probably trade, but I'll just have a look at it, and so just to keep in the routine of things. But that's about it, to be fair. And then hopefully by tomorrow I should have had good enough sleep where I can wake up, I feel fresh enough to actually take a trade. Touch wood. That'd be the plan anyway.
ECB's Mueller says Trump's pressure on Powell is clearly political.
Yeah, of course it is. We all know that. Alright then, I'll see you guys later. Like, share, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Peace out, bye.